somebody please take us out of this nonsense.
The world end after every broadcast, and to save it seemed a tall task, with no cape and no cash and a broke car with no brakes and no stakes involved in the state of the world state. It's all lost, so we counting our birthdays. We party hard, get turned on a Thursday, and like we got it all, why we act in the first place. You raised by a screen, that shit get up in your nerve ends. You Looney Tune babies better know that you perfect. Nobody can tell you one thing, get your crazy, throw it all on the surface. Make yo something from nothing, take a shot at your purpose. Post a talk for a man who probably needs his own service, cause he's scared to death of how everyone think. Probably changed my whole look for a share on the feed. Too focused on the focus on screens. Let's taking pictures of moments where I should actually be. Welcome to the age of distraction, where the follow count king, where we lacking on queens, where you follow someone because they follow someone who actually follows their dreams. Damn, I'm bitter as fuck. I should probably change, but I'm so stuck in my ways. Please, soda, sing.
Ooh, this blue is sweet. Well, I truly see love like movie scenes. It's a doozy think, answers on the way. Throw it all away just to feel complete. Just for that wonderful rush. But it's never enough.
Baby, give me more, give me more, give me more, give me more, give me more. I ain't never feel full, not at all, not at all, not at all, not at all.
Ooh, where's that wonderful rush? I can't get enough.
Baby, give me more, give me more, give me more, give me more, give me more. I ain't never feel full, not at all, not at all, not at all, not at all. Baby, give me more, give me more, give me more, give me more, give me more. I ain't never feel full, not at all, not at all, not at all, not at all.
Where's that wonderful rush?
Someone say my bad behavior, out to extend me, thoughts and got dangerous. I can't change, I'm locked in my anger. I'm so crazy by all of this anguish. I can't let go, my grip is outlandish. Can't hold on and still keep on standing. All of this rush got me closer to madness.
better get up out my way. This is start of a new day, feel fresher than toothpaste. Singing out, this be the new thing. New swing set, I'ma go for the loop, man. I'm a fruit gone loopy, that's the Sammy the toucan. Screaming out, who cares? My soul bare, I'm done with the cold stare. My heart hang off the tip of my shoestring. Stay untied, that's usual. I'm not put together, do better than you do. That's magic, I'm voodoo. You a doll playing dress up, but your get up is poo-poo. Okay, I'll fess up, I'm messed up, but that's true for you too. We stare at our messages, hoping for contact, like somebody please take us out of this nonsense. The world end after every broadcast, and to save it seem a tall task, with no cape and no cash and a broke out, with no breaks and no stakes involved in the state of the world state. It's all lost, so we counting our birthdays. We party hard, get turned on a Thursday, and like we got it all, why we act in the first place. You raised by a screen that get up in your nerve ends. You Looney Tune babies better know that you perfect. Nobody can tell you one thing. Get your crazy, throw it all on the surface. Make yo something from nothing, take a shot at your purpose. Post a talk for a man who probably needs his own service, cause he's scared to death of how everyone think. Probably changed my whole look for a share on the feed. Too focused on the focus on screens. Let's taking pictures of moments where I should actually be. Welcome to the age of distraction, where the follow count king, where we lacking on queens, where you follow someone because they follow someone who actually follows their dreams. Damn, I'm bitter as fuck. I should probably change, but I'm so stuck in my ways. Please, soda, sing.
Ooh, this blue is sweet. Well, I truly see love like movie scenes. It's a doozy think, answers on the way. Throw it all away just to feel complete. Just for that wonderful rush. But it's never enough.
Baby, give me more, give me more, give me more, give me more, give me more. I ain't never feel full, not at all, not at all, not at all, not at all.
Ooh, where's that wonderful rush? I can't get enough.
Baby, give me more, give me more, give me more, give me more, give me more. I ain't never feel full, not at all, not at all, not at all, not at all. Baby, give me more, give me more, give me more, give me more, give me more. I ain't never feel full, not at all, not at all, not at all, not at all.
Where's that wonderful rush?
Someone say my bad behavior out to X-name me thoughts and caught dangerous. I can't change, I'm locked in my anger. I'm so crazy, got all of this anguish. I can't let go, my grip is outlandish. Can't hold on and still keep on standing. All of this rush got me closer to madness.
Ooh, there we go. Mic's on, camera's on. Music's a touch loud for me. Let's just dial that down. Let's try that. What's up, Twitch? What's up, Friday. Happy Friday. Welcome to Lib Friday, where we do code on Friday. I got the Technoflavor, courtesy Highland Park Brewing. There he is. Oh, Aiden's here on the dot. I got the Friday brew. Oh, damn, that's good. Yeah, I went for a little bike ride this afternoon. That was rad. Pushed my stuff back a touch, you know. Gotta get out and get that vitamin D while you can. Let's just, I don't really need that. Let's make this a little bigger. Let's check out what's going on the old to-do list. Oh yeah, we got, okay, yeah, that's cool. We got that working. What kind of bike you riding? I have, what do I have? I have a cross-check, Surly cross-check. You know, the little cross-check. I actually have, let me see if I can find it. My bike, I got it from this cool bike shop in, here in LA called Topanga Creek Outpost, I think is what it's called. Yeah. Yeah. If you're ever out this way, they have this really neat little hippy-dippy bike shop up in the canyon. Oh, there's like videos, and look at this dude. Look at this dog. That dog definitely rides a Surly. Let me see. I wonder if I can find. They put my bike on their Instagram when they made it. I wonder how far back I have to go. What time frame are we talking here? Probably a long way. I mean, if you see my smiling visage. This dude's happy about his bike. Oh no. What's the day on this? Jan 22. I get this in like October last year. Let's see if it shows up before Facebook cuts me off and is like, you have to log in. Look at that dog in a kayak. Goofy. Maybe this exercise is not worth it. Anyway, it's cool. It's like mustard yellow is the color. I love it. Time frame are we talking here? Oh, damn, I must have missed it. I must have passed it. Oh no, shit. It's like a long time ago. It's like October 2019. I guess in my brain I just completely edited out 2020. That's so funny. I guess I've had it a year and like a few months, not just a few months. Boy, that'll mess with you. I don't know. Anyway, I'm not gonna scroll far enough back to find this thing, but it's cool. Topanga Creek Outpost. Check them out. Good spot to get a Surly bike if you're in LA. This is the color I got. Mine looks a lot like this. Very nice. Very mustard. Yeah, they're good. They're good. Oh, so pretty. Oh yeah, there's the color. Stoned ground mustard. not stone ground, but stoned ground. Love it. All right, so let's do a little coding. Oh, I did this business. Oh, geez, that was kind of actually a pain in the butt. But whatevs. So last time I basically started trying to Frankenstein this old SQL UI that I had, this old SQL console UI that I had with the new BigQuery stuff that I've been working on, and I got as far as being able to run some things. Let me just actually see it. Let me just see that still works. So I go in here, select count of blah from something, and I could run this and it would show up in here. There it is. Oh my god. Oh wait, I think that's some dummy data that I put in, but yeah, okay. So what I want to do now, let me actually go back some of this out because I think I put in something a little funny here. Yeah, okay, I put this in. Let me put this in. Put in the empty GeoJSON. Let's try that. Anyway, the point is, I got it to basically like vomit out some quasi JSON stuff, and then now I think the thing is that I need to actually work through the process of decoding the BigQuery like data model and putting it into something that's like either. So I basically have two paths. I have either JSON, just like blob of fields, or I have, in the optimal case, or in special case, I have GeoJSON that I can munge out of a geography. BigQuery data types. I think I was reading up on this a little bit the other day. Oh yeah, we're gonna have, this is gonna be a real adventure here. So, oh yeah, oops, excuse me. I didn't set up my thing. What's today? 2021-03-26. So there we go. BigQuery data types. Put that at the top. And where's this? I need to link this guy. Greetings, friend. Still working on that. Be working on this forever. This thing is gonna take a while, but that's cool. All right, so I was gonna comment in here. BigQuery data types. Okay. Oh, that's not what I meant. Yeah. Okay, I can just pile some notes in here. BigQuery data types and decoding. All right, so what we got is BigQuery Java SDK. I need the Java docs. Where's the link? Oh, here it is. API reference. Is that what I want? Yeah. Oh, move to here. Okay, here we go. Here's the docs. So that's it, and then the one that we have is table result. Table result, is that what it's called? Table result has a schema and field value list. Yeah, okay, great. So schema. Oh, sorry, I gotta remember where to put my notes. So what is this? This is com.google.cloud.bigquery.schema. This represents structure for a BigQuery result. So that's good. And then we have this one. Yeah, okay. Boy, the number of times I have navigated to this page is quite a large number of times. Okay, then we got this one. That represents row of a BigQuery result. And what you can do with this you can basically get a field value given the field name or the index. Maybe I should put a, oops. Dang it, I want to put this up here. Can I do that? Ugh. Come on, Notion, put it there. Damn it, put it in the list. I don't know. Okay, maybe I'll just copy it. Maybe that'll work. Oh my god, didn't work. Oh my god, come on. Okay, there it goes. Great. Okay. Yeah, okay. So then field value. Got too many pages here. Yeah, okay, so you can get, you can take the name, given the name, schema contains the names, I think, if I remember correctly. Yeah, get fields. Oh man, this is like so complicated. This is so Java. It's like everything has to be a special type and blah, blah, blah. Okay, so that thing, you can get a field. Anyway, the point is you can get the field value list, and then depending on the schema, you can have all these things like get record value and and get numeric value and blah, 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 blah. So somehow I can convert these suckers to what is needed. Okay. All right, too many pages of Java docs here. Okay, so anyway, so the point is like somehow you got to use that stuff to dynamically decode the result into a I guess in my case, like probably into JSON is like the ideal scenario. BigQuery. Make that a touch small. Whatever. Maybe I'll make it big. Keep it big. It's hard to read, but whatever. Query for user. So okay, yeah, I wrote this janky thing here that says basically like list of map strings. So I just literally two stringed every row, and that's why we got this. This like gobbledygook here because I just literally two stringed it. But what I need to do is so the interface over here, let me pull up the result. This is the GraphQL resolver on the left side. The interface is query result. Yeah, okay, query result. Query result. So what I really need to do is evaluate it into a query result. That's chill. Yep, I need that. Query for user IO of, yeah, no problem. Query result. Oh, that would be cool, wouldn't it, if I could do that? And it's not gonna like that right now because it's messed up. Oh wait, I need this. Yeah, this is basically what I want to do. I want the timing. I want to measure it. Can you get the timing? That's interesting. Okay, let me see. Vector. Does that compile? Yep. Okay, feature collection. I need to import that. Yep. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that compiles. That's good. So, so the query result is, let's see, query result duration, GeoJSON, and data. Yep. Okay, no problem. Res dot. Can you get the time? I wonder if it would be cool if it has the time. Job. Oh, job dot get BigQuery, get query results, get e tag, get job ID, get statistics. That's interesting. Get statistics dot get. Oh boy. BigQuery get runtime of job. I mean, this is like super not important, but that was like one of the things that I had in the old thing was like you could say, 200 milliseconds or whatever. Statistics? Job statistics. Seems like there might be something in there. Get creation time, end time. Oh, okay. Oh. Reservation, start time. Start. It seems like start time and end time would give you maybe what you need. Well, that says get statistics S. Oh, that's interesting. Huh. Job. All right, maybe I need job. Maybe that's the wrong type. Get statistics. Boy, I really should not spend so much time on these stupid statistics, but yeah. Including starting time and ending time. It says including starting time and ending time. That's what I want. Dot get. Is it just start? Which one is it? Google Cloud BigQuery. Oh, yeah, I don't know. That was just some weird, like, compiler tool business there. It was, like, hiding that from me. Okay. Val elapsed equals stats dot get end time minus stats. Oops. Stats.get start time. Okay, so yes, that's cool. That's actually great. That's something that I needed to fill in. So instead of making just an arbitrary map string or list of map string where I just stringified everything, I want to make an actual query result, and then that will be my elapsed. Oh, great, 1 down. 2 to go. Okay, so then I need a vector, and then okay, so. Yeah, what I basically need now is a query result to JSON. What is the result type again? Field value list, field value, table result, I think, if I remember right, was the empty table result. No, table result. Yeah, that's what I need. Table result, and this is going to give me a vector of JSON. Not com Google API client JSON, but Circe JSON. Okay, now we're going somewhere. Okay, so we get the schema. Let's look at what I was doing down here. I messed around with that. Yep, get schema. Fields. What is fields? Fields are a field list dot get. Okay, so this is, yeah, the fields are a whole thing. Fields. So that's just the field names, but I think that there is basically type information in here. So in the schema field somewhere, there's probably like indication of what the types are or whatever. And I mean, you know, in an ideal world, this would be some nice like clean ADT thing that I could like match on and do whatever. But as it is, we don't have that. We have Java stuff, so we're gonna have to kind of like hack around that a bit. Field? What is it? Field list of a field. Okay. Yep. What the hell is a field? Who knows? Yeah, okay, this is what we need. We'll get into this in a minute, but we're gonna need this get mode business. That's how you start to say like, oh, what type of thing is it, blah, blah, blah. Field. It's so funny, you look for field and there's like, how many things are there called field in your project's class path? Like 8,000. Whoops, I fucked that up, but field. Yeah, there you go. Da, 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 da. Oh my god, so many. Okay, anyway. The one I want is that one. Oh yeah, that one. Field. Google Cloud BigQuery field. Okay. Field.get I. Alright, get name. Get name? Get name. Get name. Okay, so that's my field. Yeah, okay. Oh, oops. Okay, good. Okay, so next bit. So basically what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna map over rows in what is the thing on? Sorry, I have to look down at my other example. Oh, res.iterate all. Iterate all as Scala. Okay. Yeah. So I'm gonna map over rows in res.iterate all. For each row, map over fields using name plus known type to pull a JSON value. And yeah, the known types are going to be the big question mark here, and that's it. We're just going to have to go one by one. We'll have to map BQ types one by one to appropriate JSON representation. Yep. Res dot Okay. Res iterate all to as Scala dot map row. Okay. And then for each row, oops. I just put something, put a placeholder in there. Yep. Okay. So fields for each row. How do I make it? Let me see. Sorry, JSON. What I'm going to make is a JSON object. And the build. So I'm going to build tuples of like string, comma, JSON. Oops, JSON. Use those to make a JSON object. Yeah, okay, that's fine. I can do that. Fields.map f. So row. So basically what I can do here is row.get f.get name. So given the row and the field name, we can pull that out, but what this is going to give you is just a field value. Field value is that. So that's like only medium useful. But that's okay because now I can scope it down even further. Def field value to JSON. I mean, eventually, yeah, whatever. I'm just gonna throw this together. Eventually, I might roll this into some like actual Cersei decoder. Like eventually, if I were to come through here and wire up all the implicits, it would be sick because you could basically be like res.as JSON, and then Cersei would like wire it all up for you and do it. So once I figure out the mappings, we might be able to do that. But for now, I'm not too worried about it. Yeah, okay, so this is gonna be a field value? I don't know. I don't want to say val because obviously that's Scala, but JSON. Okay. Okay, hold on, actually, let me look back at this. I might have to pass in the known schema stuff. Yep. So this is like a classic Java. It's like a classic kind of like Java poor man's ADT, because what you have is all of these methods: get Boolean value, get bytes value, get double value, get long value. But you're only supposed to call them if you know that it's the right type. So this, like, this happens a lot because they don't have a real way to do like ADTs. So it's like you have to sort of consult some other piece of information to know, is it a byte, is it a Boolean, is it a long, or whatever. And then if you know it's the right one, then you can call this thing. And so I probably have to pass in the field as well, is probably the way to do it. So actually I should say field and value, field value. Yep, that'll be good. Yep. All right. And so now I have to actually get into the guts of it. So this field thing, field BigQuery Google Cloud BigQuery field, my buddy. Okay, so there's a get type and there's a get mode, which are both, I think, going to be useful. Get type gives you legacy SQL type name. Oh, okay. This is cool. So this is like a enum, I guess. Is this enum? Extends com.google.cloud string enum value. So they have their own enum thing, okay. But this is good. Big numeric, Boolean, bytes, blah 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 blah. I don't know if Scala will be able to match that like appropriately. It probably can't, but we can give it a shot. And then get mode is another thing. So this I read about a little bit the other day. It has some weird stuff. Okay, yeah. You can basically, I think the get mode is mostly important in terms of telling you if a thing is an array. I haven't yet figured out how to handle. Yeah, okay. So let's actually, I can just copy some business out of here. Actually, I'm going to copy some business into my notes real quick. field. Oops. Given a Alright, that might be useful to me as a note. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna grab this business here. Just for, oh my god, that is an ugly copy-paste job right there, but that's okay. Oh, okay, I should just squish these onto one line. That's what happened, I got everything on a different line. Don't want that. Okay, okay. Oops, oops, that was ugly. I have to format these one at a time because I have some clumsy configuration stuff. Okay, I guess I don't even care about this. Static, who cares about static? Big numeric. Case. Okay, field dot get type match. Oh, get type match. Okay, to do handle arrays. I think I'm not 100% sure, but I think with the array handling, I think you have to combine. My guess is you have to combine this get type with the get mode thing, and basically, like, if it's a mode repeated, then you repeat it and do it over and over. I don't know. I have to figure that out. But for now, we'll just do this. Oops, oops. Get type arrays via. Okay, let's just do. Okay, let's do that one that I was working on. The one I was working on was a. Where'd it go? Attribute primitive value 56. I don't know. I guess that's probably an integer. It's probably an integer. A 64-bit int though, so that's actually really long. Okay, what are these? Where are these enums defined? They're on legacy SQL type name. Integer. Oh, well, these are all going to be JSON numbers anyway. How do I make a JSON number? Or maybe what I need is, value.get integer. Get new, is it always get numeric? Oh, get long value is what it is. Okay. So basically what we have to do here is go through match each declared type and then call into that appropriate one out of that list. Which of these freaking tabs was that in? Not field list, field value list. Oh my god, there's so many type soup. Okay. Numeric would be for float. Oh yeah, integer. Okay, yeah, there it is. If it has integer, you use get long. Get long as JSON. Yes. Otherwise, we're not handling. Yeah, otherwise we're not handling other yet. Let's see, does this compile? Let's see, let's refresh. Look, we actually did a thing. We read a lot of docs and then we did a thing. Value get is not a member of seek. Oh, I screwed that up. Value, oh, yep. Oh yeah. Oops, I missed. Wait, what? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I just called this res, so now this is actually just gonna be res. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. The power of pushing down your logic into some other place. Okay, so if this works, we actually might get like a nice JSON formatted count. 0 GeoJSON features in negative something milliseconds. Okay, so that's bad. And we didn't get any freaking rows either. Okay, so that's not actually going great. Oh, did I even call that thing? Oh, I just still returned an empty string for some reason. I don't know if I even called this. Okay, sorry, I actually have some more work to do now. So this will be the JSON, and then what I'm going to return here is f.getName. That'll be the name, and then JSON. And then JSON object of that. That'll be my object. And then I'm going to vector it. JSON up from JSON object. Sorry, this is like Cersei shenanigans, but you have your JSON object, you have to widen it to the JSON basically. Does that compile? 9. Oh, sorry, I need a more thorough compile error in here. Let me start another SPT runner in here. Make that small. Okie dokie, there it is. Oh, wait, hold on. Okie dokie.
Okie dokie. Okie dokie.
Found seek string required string. Yeah, okay, because I have to tuple it. Or sorry, not tuple it. Splat it. What? How do you do the splat syntax? You do something like this. You literally just type underscores and colons and whatever until you get them. Is that literally it? Did I get it on the third try? No, I don't think that's right. Scala splat syntax. Colon underscore star. Colon. Okay, I don't know if I tried that combination. I literally every time I do this, I just try it in different. Oh yeah, there it is. I forgot you had to put the parameter name. This basically says like, this is like apply and closure. It says use the splat the list into var args or whatever. Yeah, splat the list into var args. JSON from JSON object. Yeah, okay. Let's see. It's possible that might compile. And it does. Okay. It's a little odd when I ran this before that I didn't get an error. I got 0 rows with a negative time frame, so that's a little odd. I don't know what's going on there, but let's run this again and see. No rows again. Okay. Okay, let's see. Actually, I don't know if I even wired this function up, to be honest. Did I even call this? I don't think I did. Yeah, I just still am putting in the dummy thing. Okay, so that's answers that, why it didn't crash. I don't need this. I don't need this. I don't need this. I moved all that up. I don't need query results for now. Oh wait, but I do need that piece that I already deleted. Sorry. Yeah. So I guess the reason that was not doing anything is I just had 0 or something. I don't know. Okay, I need to call this in. Rows equals query result to JSON of the res. Job.get results, get query results, table result. There it is. Wait, what do you mean get missing an argument? What? Oh, hold on, let me back this up. What was I calling before? Oh, just get query results. Oh, I have to, I guess there's a default arg there. Oh, okay, okie dokie. So this should slot into rows. Sorry, I had a hard-coded empty vector of JSON. Now I can put in real rows. And now we might get an exciting crash. Or we got count. Count 56. Ah, the column name is count and the thing is 56. This is interesting. Do I have the order of those wrong? I have end time minus get start time. Oops, that's end. Oops. Get end time, get start time. Maybe I have those flipped. I think end minus start should be right, but you never know. Oh, end is null. Why would it be null? All right, well, this is still. Oh, so that's why it's negative, because it's a primitive null that got longified to 0. Okay, that makes sense. Why that showed up that way. All right, I'm gonna come back to that. I'm gonna ignore it. I'm just gonna literally put it in 0 because it's distracting to me to have that big ass negative number. Laps is 0. 0L. Okay, so now let's try one that we know that won't work. One that we know won't work. GeoID, because this will crash because it's like some other type. Internal server error. Okay, we don't get any more info than that. That's not helpful. Presumably that crashed because, yeah, hey, not handling string, all caps string, not handling all caps string yet. RIP. Yeah, so that's what we knew. We had to fill these in. Yeah, okay, let's just go through them. Case, legacy, dot string, value dot get string value, JSON. I love it. Okay. Value dot get boolean value dot as JSON. Case. Oops. So the bytes are the ones that are going to get interesting. Let's do the easy ones first. Okay, so let's see. These are easy. Float is easy. Integer and numeric are easy. String is easy. Okay, why are there four different date and time types? I don't know. Geography is okay. So these ones are going to be somewhat interesting because what am I going to do with bytes? Yeah. Okay. So anyway, we'll come to this. Let's do the easy ones first. Float. Get double value. Okay, let's look at that doc. It's probably get double value. What is a float? A 64-bit. Okay, so that's double basically. Get double value as JSON. Ooh. Boy, that's a tasty beer. Get double value. Okay, that's an easy one. Integer, I did already. Boolean, I did. Big numeric. Oh, big numeric is interesting. What do you do with a big numeric? Oh God, oops. Big numeric almost sounds dirty. It's like, what are you doing with that big numeric? Get numeric gives you a big decimal. Is that Java? Okay, good. Java, math, big decimal. I think Circe can handle that actually. Circe, JSON, big decimal. Huh. Well, it can decode to Java Big Decimal. Can it decode from Java Big Decimal? Can it encode Big Decimal? We will find out. Value.get numeric as JSON. Does this compile? Tell me, Cersei, do you know how to deal with that type? It compiles. Okay, so I think Cersei knows it. Great. Love it. Love you, Cersei. That's numeric. Oh, no, sorry. That's big numeric. Now let's just do numeric. Decimal value with 38s. That's 38 plus 9. What the fuck? 38 plus 9 is 47? What the fuck has 47? Oh, 38 digits. Sorry. 38 digits, not 38 bits. I was like, what has 47 bits of a float? Okay, got it. Numeric. When you use, what does numeric get? Like what? Get double value, I guess? Float. Oh, get numeric value. Wait, didn't I just read that? Oh. Wait, I'm so confused. There's both numeric and there's big numeric. But they both represent as get numeric. Okay, well, I might have to table this one for the moment. I guess those both come in as get numeric value. Google, BigQuery, big numeric. I don't know, this is probably kind of niche, so I'm not gonna spend a lot of time on it. It'll probably crash on me in the future. I'm gonna say that if it's numeric, or if it's big numeric, I'm gonna do get numeric. That makes sense. They're probably the same. They're probably both Java Big Decimal. And string we got. Okay. Now we get into the juicy ones. Okay, so let's look at these other ones. Get time. Oops. Wait. That's the wrong one. Time. Represents a time independent of a specific date to microsecond precision. Oh, big excitement. Damn, sorry, I gotta clean some tabs. I got too much tabs. Oh, today in tabs, we are drowning in BigQuery tabs. Okay, where was the one I was looking at? Field value. See, so this is why this whole situation is annoying, because all of the stuff. Oh, what is get attribute? Oh, that's interesting. So maybe I was that. Oh, okay. Back to that question from before about whether you have to pass in the field, so you know. This actually sounds like you could get it off the field value without passing that in. Also, this is null. I should use that too. Use is null. Because if I can use that, then I can just wrap them all in an option. Oh, I could just get value as an object. Oh god. Okay. Integer, float. What do you do if it has a time? Oh, get timestamp value. Okay. Returns field value is long. Yeah, get timestamp value. Okay, I can do that one. Oops. Timestamp. It has timestamp. Alright, so that one's actually easy because it's just a long, it's just an epoch, a Unix epoch long. Get numeric value. Let's get this one. Damn, there's a song on here earlier that I really liked. I wonder if it's still up here. Oh, Bojack. Bojack was something earlier. Oh, not there. 1, can't find it. Sorry, I got too much. This is my copyright-free music epidemic sound here. Oh, it's actually the next one. I don't know. Okay, timestamp is long. Oh wait, I did string. Oh no, sorry, these ones. Okay. Geography is going to be very interesting. I have to come back to geography. All right, let's look at date and date time. See, I don't even have those. Date. Oops, I should point this down a little bit. Okay, so this is, so I'm a little bit lost here because there are obviously fewer of these primitive types than there are, or like fewer of these like getter methods than there are types in this list. And so the problem is like some of them must either go somewhere else or else they're being like reused somehow. So I don't know. Actually, I've read about the geography. The geography is just a wicket string, so I actually know how to deal with that. But time, date, time, I had to figure out, and then fucking record is going to be its whole own pain. Yeah, so record you just nest. Oh, record is actually easy to handle then, to be honest, because I can just recursively call the same thing, so that'll be fine. But all the other ones, God, what do you do with a? Okay, get attribute, primitive, repeated, or record. Oh, okay, that's interesting. I can deal with that. Oh, okay, get string value. Here's what I should have read this closer. If for all of these ones, oh my God, this is hilarious. Okay, great. Yeah, I guess this figures, but oh, fucking float. Float is a string? What? Oh, what? Oh, okay, float can be used in multiple ones. Float can be used down here too. Okay, so float can be used like anywhere as a field primitive type. Oh, okay, so who knows what this does if you do the bytes to string. Timestamp goes in here, numeric. They're saying, this is saying that any of the primitives can get string value, so I don't know if that's really good or not for us actually. There's a timestamp, numeric. Get repeated value. That one we can handle. Yeah, okay, actually, so let's look at those two. Wait, if the corresponding field has field mode repeated. Okay. So okay, that's right. There's two things you have to check. The checks here are one, one is the field mode, which is either, it sounds like is either so field mode get attribute value dot get attribute, and it'll either be primitive, repeated, or record. Repeated or record. So if primitive, do all this. If record, if it's a record, you can get a, or sorry, yeah, if it's a record, recursively, you can basically get another one of these, right? Yeah, you can use get record value. God, I butchered that. Get record value to get another field value list and turn that into JSON. Oh boy. If repeated, This is so good. This is like so classic. You have either field value list or list of field value, and they mean completely different things. So enjoy that. Okay, if repeated, then do that. If primitive, match these types. Okay, so this is good. I haven't still figured out what to do with some of these other ones. Okay, so I still don't know how to decode some of these other things. I guess it has to either be the string, so you just dump it to a string and pray and figure out like maybe there's some convention around decoding them, or I guess you always have this terrifying thing, which is like call get value and get a freaking object, and it's like God only knows what that means. That's horrifying. These ones are all primitives. BigQuery has date time. Can I read date? They have date time. I think you're expected to pass a string in the format YYYMMTT. Oh, okay. Maybe I should look at the REST API. I use wrapper from Google for timestamp date. Google API client date time. Oh, so they have their own thing. But it works only from the timestamp, not for date type. Oh, that's confusing. Table row. Sweet Jesus, this is a disaster. Yeah, okay. All right, I'm gonna continue with this. I have had at times thoughts of like, should I just use the REST API with my own Scala HTTP client instead of doing this Java SDK business, and I continue to have that mild doubt, but I'm gonna continue for now. I guess the point is, I don't really care about all these, to be honest. What I really want is to figure out how to get a freaking thing on a map on there. So this data set I'm using here, let me go pull this up. Which one is the actual geography? Oh wait, that's not helpful. God damn it. Start exploration, that's what I want. Alright, let me just go over here. Storage. Where the hell is it? BigQuery. BigQuery. Oh god, there's so many. BigQuery, public data, GOUS, blah blah blah. I mean, I just grabbed this because it's like a small table that's good for testing with, so you don't spend a lot of data use while you're testing. GOUS boundaries, states. There we go. Fucking finally. Int point geom and state geom. State geom is the boy, is the guy. So let's just see. So, okay. Anyway, I'm getting a little off track with all this JSON shenanigans, but what I really want to be able to do here is basically select GeoID and state geom. From that, and it would GeoJSONify it. Either it would GeoJSON if I guess the one question I haven't determined is if you would have to say as geometry here. Like, do you have to specify the geometry column to be able to GeoJSONify it? I don't know, but let's just run this and see. It's probably going to fail because we don't know how to decode the geography type. All right, there it goes. Yeah, not handling geography yet. Okay, so let's just do that one. Let's check in geography. Geography is a wicket. Get string value, and I have a WKT handler somewhere, I think. Okay, so in this case, you get the string value, we'll read it. Oops, and then the big deal here is going to be to I need to GeoJSONify this. So now I have, this is going to give me a JTS geometry. JSON. This won't compile. Oops. Yeah, okay. Yep, so that's okay because I have my own. JTS2 geometry. Encode. Okay. That's cool. So that gives you a JSON. Let's run that and see. This will give us a... Oh, what? You failed so fast. Oh, run. My bad. Let's try that again. This will give us a JSON encoded thing. It'll probably just show up as a column in that UI, which is actually a start. That's not bad. We'll probably get state. We'll probably get geometry and then some blob of stuff. Oh no, we failed. Oh, we're still running. Oh, we're still running. Sorry. Oh my god, that's printing out a huge pile of stuff. Okay. I should remove some of these print lines. Oh god. Okay, that's fine. Did we get data? No, we're still going. We claim that we failed. Oh, we got count. What? What? Let's try it again. Sorry. With less print lines. Null versus start. Meh. It's still running. 10 seconds. Oh, there it is. Yeah, okay, good. This is what I thought we would get. We have a string and then the blah, 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 blah. Okay, so I have to think about this. I'm gonna have to reorganize this a little bit. So somehow, if I think about it, this thing, a given row can either yield random JSON data or a GeoJSON feature. So that's going to be something I have to handle. So this is actually getting somewhere. This is getting somewhat far. I like it's like actually making decent progress in terms of decoding all these types, and it's just a question of like deciphering all of the Java SDK APIs for this stuff. But what I need here, I don't know that JSON is going to be the best interface here because it's just like opaque arbitrary JSON. Because what I need somehow is to get out of this a list of stuff that I can then split into the ones that go into the feature collection because they're GeoJSON, or the ones that go into rows. the ones that go into, yeah, so this function needs to somehow actually say like, okay, this one contained a geography column, and therefore I GeoJSONified it so that you can render it on the map, or it didn't, and then therefore it's just like arbitrary JSON object. So, excuse me. I might need to actually, if geography. Ooh, geography. If it contains geography. Okay, so like one way would be either let's use this. Oops. Dang it. I'm going to use this as GJ. It's nice to be able to say when you're talking about GeoJSON. Oh god, this is such a mess. Such a garbage pile. Yeah, okay, so sorry, what was I? Where was I? Up here. You could either do something like GJ. You could do either GJ feature or JSON. That's like, alright, that's not the worst. And then you would basically like, you would get these out and then you would split them. And the ones that are GeoJSON go in the feature collection and the other ones go there. That would be okay. Let's try that. Either GJ.feature. If I can put that there. Okay, sorry, I'm just thinking silently for a second there. I need to detect if it contains a geography. How do you do that? How do you do that? Oh, wait, this is, sorry, wait, I'm actually mixed myself up. A table result. I actually need to do it. Ugh, sorry, I need to do this on the row level. God, this is quite annoying. I need actually, yeah, okay. Let me see if I can rearrange this. What I would like to do, let me see if I can get rid of the field, sorry. Can you get the type? No, you can't. Oh god, that's so annoying. This is quite annoying. Okay, I need a thing that, this is fine. This is okay as it was, but I need a thing that's one level up from this because I need a thing. Oops. Yeah, I need a thing that's one level up from this because I need a thing that will. The either split has to happen at the row level, not at the individual column/field level. That's why that is all screwy. That makes sense. Okay, that's better. Let me do this. Okay. So what is that row type again? It is fields. Row is a field value list. So maybe what I need is to give the row and the schema and then get from there a thing. Row to JSON. And this will take a schema and a row, which is a field value list. And this will give me, I guess the other question is like the ones that are just JSON, like you could have, I have to decide how to have them side by side, or like if I'm, like you could imagine a world where the stuff shows on the map here, but then you also want to see it in the table there. I would kind of like to have that. So yeah, okay, this is what I need. Row encode BQ row, and this has a JSON option JSON, and then it has GeoJSON option of a feature, gj.feature. Yeah, that's what I need to get out of here. BQ row equals, yep, gotta get that. Okay, good, this is good. So let me see, so I want to move all that stuff. Oops. Oh, I'm slouching here, gotta work on that posture, you know. I want to move all that stuff that I was doing down here up there. Schema and row. Yeah, I want to put all this mess in there. Oops. All right, I'm gonna clear this out again. It says vector JSON. Code query result. I'm changing the name of this because we're not just going to JSON it. We're going to do two things at once: GeoJSON and whatever. What did I call that before? I called it BQ row. BQ row. I don't know if that's a good name or not, but we're going with it. BQ row. Oh, this is actually a vector. All right, sorry, I'm making a mangled mess of this for the moment, but I have to move this up here. I don't know if I need that or not. Come back to that. Let's see if this compiles down here. All right. I'm moving stuff around and I'm gonna horribly mangle some things, but that's okay. BQ row. All right, I need all that fields business. Schema.get fields. I guess I'll just do this in here for now. Sorry, I wish this screen was taller so I could see more of this stuff at once. All right, so that has to actually be, I called row to JSON, but it's really encode row. Boy, I'm just gonna make a mess here. That's okay. All right, here's one way to fix this for now. Just be like none things. That actually might compile now. Nope. Query result to JSON. I called it encode. Okay, this is fine. Yep. Oh, not. Yeah, good. Okay, so previously I had JSON, so now this is good. Rows.flat map. Yeah, this is actually good, so I can kind of placeholder the rest of it. And then what I'm going to have, so I'm going to run through every row, and then for each row, if I can make a GeoJSON out of it, I will. If I can make a blob of JSON out of it, I will. And then I'll have an option of each. And then up here, we'll flatten them. So we'll basically have a feature collection, 0 or more, and then a normal JSON vector, 0 or more JSON. And that'll work. Okay, so if I can make this interface work, if I can make this structure work with I fill in real data, then that'll be real good. Okay. This is getting somewhere. This is getting somewhere. Now I have to kind of think through this other bit. Yeah, figure out how to transform BigQuery results into displayable JSON and GeoJSON results in the browser. Wouldn't that be lovely? So I'm thinking about this more, and I'm thinking like maybe what I want, because like in the version of the JSON, in just the arbitrary JSON version, oh God, where did I go? All right, I need to step back and do it a cruder way for now. I was thinking through, like, basically I could say that if it's, I don't know that I necessarily care to see this blob of GeoJSON or Wicket or whatever is going to be here in a column in a React table. Like at some point it's better just to say like maybe we omit these, maybe we just omit geometry in these ones. Maybe not. Okay, so actually this is fine. Field value to GeoJSON. Okay. I take it back. I can say option of gj.feature if geom column equals sorry. This needs to actually be row to GeoJSON. Okay, that's annoying, but yeah. Oh, the schema business is so annoying that you have to do this freaking shit. I'm gonna mess with that. Implicit class schema extensions schema fields. Yeah, good. Oops. Yeah, okay. Alright, I don't know. That's not very efficient, but fuck it. I don't care. I mean, we'll just iterate it over and over, but I don't have to type that over, okay? Schema.fields. Good. Geom columns is schema.fields. No. Oh, sorry, I had the wrong type there. Schema. Sorry. Fields. Dot. Find. All right, there we go. That'll do it. That'll say if we see if we can find a geometry column. Yeah, this is good. This is good. Okay, that'll give us geometry column. And sorry, I can actually close this and I can get some more width. That's smart. Instead of having 2 columns of useless stuff. That'll find us a geometry column if there is one. And if there is, then we're going to pull it out. Row get geom call get name. So that'll get us the field, and then I'm going to get string value, and then I'm going to read it as a wicket. Okay, there we go. I have to remember. You think I would remember this? This is my own GeoJSON library. I should remember how it works, but I always have to look at the docs. Oops, that's not the one I want. JTS. Oh, to GeoJSON. geom. Where did I pull those implicits? I need it here. Sorry, now I need to make a feature. What are the ones I have? I basically have properties and a feature. That's all I got for now. Okay, that's fine. And so sorry, properties and a geometry. The geometry is going to be that one I just read, and then the properties. Okay, let's just throw properties in here. What I'm going to basically do for the properties is I'm going to call into this one. I'm going to call into this other one and use that to do arbitrary JSONify on it. But for now, I literally just want to see a thing on a map, so that's what I'm going to do first. Oops. Okay, this actually will do it. Let's see, does this compile? No, required. Found unit. I probably assigned a thing. 65. Yeah, okay. Oh, that's why this doesn't work. Doesn't like that. That's not a good implicit extension. Okay. Okay. Okie dokie.
Okie dokie. Okie dokie.
Okay, is this literally it? Is this all? Did I like wire that up all correctly as possible? If it compiled, it might work. I need to delete some of this bullshit down here. Encode query result. Code row. Oh, yeah, this is bad. I need to call this. Row to GeoJSON given the schema and the row. And then that's my BQ row. The GeoJSON is first, so that's my GJ. Oh. GeoJSON. Excellent, excellent. Excellent. Okay. Frick it, let's frickin' try it. That actually might even do a thing. This actually might even do something. No, it sure is taking a while. Oh, there it is. Look at that. Some dumb shit on a map. Got some states. Fucking love it. Let's just do some stuff. Limit 10. Boy, that sure is slow to type there. I wonder what's going on there. This UI is super late. Limit 10. 10 is that. 10 is Puerto Rico, Virgin Islands. Okay, yeah, so I don't have any geometry type. Oh, this is like just some custom GeoJSON. I got 4. Oh wait, 5. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 New England states, Puerto Rico, Virgin Islands. Are those 2? That makes 6. Where's the rest of it? Oh my god. I got what? Okinawa, Mariana Islands. Okay. Okay, sure. Okay, that's freaking rad. So that's what I wanted to see. That's what I wanted to see. A lot of mess today. A lot of big hacks. I can kill this. Oh, does the time work? Oh no, it still says 0. Oh, that's right. Yeah, I'm sorry. I forgot about that. I just had to hard code that to 0. Okay, God. Let me see. I'm going to run Scala format on that and see what it does. Oops. Because all these imports are just a freaking mess. Oh no, it didn't mess with the imports. It didn't even reorder those at all. God, that's a mess. Okay. I will do it by hand. And I thought that Scala format would reorder that for me, but TIL it does not. So basically the next step here, next, row to JSON schema and row give option JSON. So that'll just encode, the whole thing as just a normal arbitrary object. And so that's the next bit, I guess, here to fill in. So I have a GeoJSON thing working. Oh, the other thing I have to do add properties here. Yeah. Use existing. So it might be that what I want to do is call row to JSON first, get the JSON object, then pass that in as optional properties here. That could be an interesting way to do it. Maybe do this first and pass the result into row to GeoJSON. That could be cool. I could look at that. All right, I think that's enough for today. It's Friday. It's late. Well, it's actually not that late, but it's been a long week. Next, BQ steps. What's my commit message here? Processing GeoJSON to feature geometries, to renderable, mappable geometries. That's exciting. That's real exciting. That's really the whole deal I want. Literally all I want to be able to do is write a query and see some stuff on the dang map. So we're getting there. We're getting somewhere. Dang. That actually even might be worth... how does this work if it's small? If it's skinny? Okay. Is it worth... should I do a little recording of that? This could be fun for the TL, for the timeline. I got OBS recording while I record video. Maybe this video is too long. Maybe it's better if I just do the just do the rendering version. Okay, I like that better. Oops, God damn it, I just zoomed in. Alright, cancel that video. And maybe I'm just going to screenshot it. This is not an exciting video to even have. I'd like to be able to at least fit the... This is the thing I kind of irks me about BigQuery is everyone puts everything in like BigQuery public data. So like the whole freaking thing is like 20 characters long before you even get into the table name, and so it makes all your shit really long, and you have to do all this backtick stuff. It's like quite annoying. But that's cool. That's cool. That's screenshotable. All right, that's it. That's it for today. Screenshot. We got a screenshot. We came here. We did the work. We got the screenshot to prove it. Thanks if anyone's still out there. Thank you for joining. I'm done. I'm gonna go watch some DJs or do something. Maybe have another beer even. That's exciting. I will fill this in. Working on that. Got a first pass BQ geography GeoJSON converter hooked up to the UI. Smiley. That was exciting. That was big wins. All right, that's it. Till next time. See you later.